If you want to remove a background from an image on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you can open the gallery and we can choose the photo for which we want to remove the background. Now we're gonna tap on this pen icon at the top. On the right side we are looking for these 4 circles, and then we have the Lasso Tool. Now over here we can draw a shape around the subject that we want to keep. There we go. And let's go next over here in the top right corner. And now we have the background removed. Of course you can try to make it better by removing these leftovers over here, like these shadows for example. You can also add a little outline as well and change the color of the outline too. And then once you are done, we can press down in the top right corner. And of course we can either save, or we can tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner in order to save a copy to keep the original photo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.